If you're looking for an easy weeknight dinner, I've got you covered with fried cabbage, some smoked sausage, griddled up, and pierogies. This one comes together in minutes. You guys are gonna love it, and I cannot wait to show you how to make this one at home.
Did you just say pierogies?
It is pierogi. Pierogies. Pierogi. I don't know which one it is. Apparently I'm always wrong though, but either way, if you've never had them, I know you're gonna love them. Cabbage is one of my favorite things to cook on the griddle. We'll cut this up into big chunks. It'll fall apart as we're cooking it. I need an onion as well, so we'll slice this up. Get these both down into a little olive oil. We'll mix these together, then add a little water and our dome. Let this help to steam our cabbage so it softens nice and quickly. Now on to our smoked sausage. I either use smoked sausage or kielbasa for this dinner. Tonight I've got some smoked original sausage and smoked bacon and cheddar sausage. This one is a local favorite. We'll slice this up, then we'll get back to checking on our cabbage. We'll give it a toss, a little bit more water, and the dome once more for a few more minutes before we season it with some salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some parsley. Keep this moving around for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna slide it aside and drop down a little bit of oil and butter. And now it's time for my favorite, the pierogies. This is a favorite. They're filled with mashed potatoes and cheddar, sometimes with onions, and sometimes with even sauerkraut.
Are you asking or telling me?
I'm pretty sure they're served with sauerkraut. I mean, there's so many different things that can be filled into these. I've even made homemade pierogi filled with cheesesteak fillings. These are so good, and I'm so excited for you to try these, Ethan, because you've said you've never had them. Check out our cabbage one more time, give it a toss, then we're gonna drop down our cut up smoked sausage and let this get nice and toasty on both sides. Give our pierogi one more toss, a little bit of the same seasonings, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and parsley. And now this is ready to toss up. Our sausage is beautiful. We'll start with our cabbage onto a large family style platter, just the way I like it, followed by all of that sausage and the pierogi, a post dust of a little bit of parsley. Now this is perfect. Everybody in my house loves this. It's a staple around here in Pennsylvania. The only thing that would make this better is a little dollop of daisy on our pierogies. Some people like it, some people don't. But if you're eating at my house, just wait. Give this a chance, Ethan. Let me just tell you, you are gonna love this. I'm giving you one.
Yeah, I've never had
You have to. They're like the best things ever. Oh, you don't like sour cream because you like ranch.
I like it.
Do you want to try one without it first?
I mean, okay, that's it.
Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this. Ethan, tell me if you like it. It's mashed potatoes, cheddar cheese, onion inside some dough, a little Polish dumpling. What do you think?
Yeah.
Isn't it delicious?
Yeah, I'm holding the camera with one hand.
These are like really good, even at 2 o'clock in the morning. I know, because we've done it here. You guys are gonna love this. Make this simple dinner, post a picture. I cannot wait to see. Ethan, you're a believer?
I'm a believer.
Yeah. Okay, post it. I cannot wait to see. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys for another family style favorite in the next video.